After installing Mileage Blocker on your Mini Cooper, you need to activate it. You can do this from the smartphone app or manually by pressing the BC button for 10 seconds. Mileage Blocker for Mini Cooper has 5 modes. Mode 1. Speed display works and mileage counting is stopped. Mode 2. No speed display and the mileage counting is stopped. Mode 3. Speed display works and the miles count is reduced to 30%. Mode 4. Speed display works and the miles count is reduced to 40%. Mode 5. The kilometers are counted at 100%. Super Kilometer Filter.